Hello students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to do question number 5 of exercise 14.3 and chapter is statistics. Here the table is given to you. The following table gives the lifetimes of 400 neon lamps and the observations are as follows. Lifetime given है in hours and number of lamps is given. 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 14, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62 and 48. And on the basis of this given data, we have to draw a histogram. So, for a histogram, first of all, we will check our class intervals. Here our class intervals are in continuous form and each class interval has class size is equal to 100. Meaning class size of all class intervals is 100 and क्लास इंटरवल्स आर इन कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म. तो इट मीन्स इस डाटा को कुछ भी हमें एडजस्ट करने की नीड नहीं है. सिंपली वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द हिस्टोग्राम एंड वी कैन ड्रॉ द हिस्टोग्राम एज वी हैव डन in our previous questions. Here draw two lines, perpendicular lines, vertical and horizontal, and we all know that horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. On x-axis we are going to take lifetime and lifetime is in hours. And on y-axis we have to take number of lamps. Again the intervals are starting from 300, so we have to give a break, short break here, and then we will mark 300 at equal gap, mark the different given intervals 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. So we can write here 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. And on y-axis we have to mark the frequency. Here the minimum frequency is 14 and highest frequency is 86. So what we have to do? Here we can mark 1 centimeter is equal to 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Now we can draw our histogram. The value for the first class interval is 14. तो 300 से आपको इस टाइप से 14 को प्लॉट करना है like this and join it, same join it by this. You will get first bar or first rectangle. Now we have to draw plot 56. 56 lies between 60 and 50. So we will plot it here like this and again we have to join it with this and we can write the frequency here 14, 56. Third one is 60. If you are having graph paper, You will find it is very easy to draw on the graph paper. This is 60. Similarly, we will complete all the values. So this is our histogram for the given data. And now we have to answer a question: how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours? More than 700. It means we have to add last three values, because 600 to 700 means this interval carries value below 700, and this interval carries the value 700 or more than 700. 800 to 900 is also more than 700. 900 to 1000 is also more than 700. So we have to add last three values for the question. Here 74 plus 62 plus 48 is equal to, so 184 lamps have lifetime more than 700 hours. Students, question number 6 and question number 7 is deducted from your syllabus this year. So no need to do these questions. Meaning जो frequency polygons draw करने वाला topic है, that is deducted. You have to draw only bar graphs and histograms. So क्वेश्चन 6 and 7 को आप लीव कर दो. एंड नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. A random survey of the number of children of various age groups playing in a park was found as follows. The data is given to you, meaning 1 to 2 age year के जो है there are 5 children. 2 to 3 age there are 3. 3 to 5 में 6 हैं. 5 to 7 12. 7 to 10 9 children are there. And 10 to 15 age के there are 10 children. And of age 15 to 17 there are 4 children playing in park. And you have to represent this data in a histogram. So for histogram, let us check our question. According to plot a histogram, our intervals should be in continuous form. Here you can see that all the intervals are in continuous form, meaning upper and lower limits of successive intervals are same. So they are in continuous form. And we have to check class size also. Here I am finding the class size for each class interval. For the first class interval, the class size is 2 minus 1. This is 1. And for this interval, this is again 1. For this, it is 2. 5 to 7 interval के लिए 2 है. 10 to 7 it is 3. 10 to 15 के लिए 5 है. And 15 to 17 के लिए there is 2. So this is a different question beta. And this is based on histogram for varying class intervals. Meaning for varying class size. मीनिंग यहाँ पर हर इंटरवल का जो क्लास साइज है दैट इज़ नॉट सेम. किसी में क्लास साइज कम है एंड किसी में क्लास साइज ज़्यादा है. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में अब इंटरवल तो कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, तो इट मीन्स फिर हमें क्या करना होगा, वी हैव टू एडजस्ट आवर फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो जो ये फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन है इनको हम एडजस्ट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लास साइज. एंड देयर विल बी वन मोर कॉलम ऑफ एडजस्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसी. एंड एडजस्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसी को फाइंड कैसे करना है. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग द फॉर्मूला फॉर एडजस्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसी. इट विल बी मिनिमम क्लास साइज by class size of class interval और मल्टीप्लाई बाय इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो इस फॉर्मूले को अप्लाई करके हम हर क्लास इंटरवल की फ्रीक्वेंसी को एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो यू कैन सी हेयर मिनिमम क्लास साइज इज़ 1. तो जिन इंटरवल्स का क्लास साइज 1 ही है उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी में नो चेंज, देयर विल बी नो चेंज. तो इट मीन्स फर्स्ट 2 क्लास इंटरवल की फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम एज इट इज़ लिख सकते हैं 5 and 3. एंड थर्ड में जो है क्लास साइज 2 है, एंड एडजस्ट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, 1/2 इंटू 6, इट विल बी 3. So for the third interval the frequency will be 3, and same for the fourth interval, 1/2 into 12, it will be 6. For the fifth interval, 1/3 into 9, it will be 3. And for this interval, 1/5 into 10, it will be 2, and 1/2 into 4, it will be 2. So finally our frequencies are 5, 3, 3, 6, 3, 2, 2. So our frequencies are adjusted. Now we can plot the histogram. So again we have to draw two perpendicular lines. See here, for class intervals, the intervals are starting from 1 up to 17. So it means यहाँ पर you have to put 17 dots at equal gap to cover all these intervals. Like this, 1 centimeter I am taking equal to 1 year. Now for the frequency, minimum frequency is 2 and maximum is 6. So you can plot these values very easily by choosing any scale. This is 2, 4, 6. और you can take 1 का गैप भी आप ले सकते हैं, जैसे भी आपको कन्वीनियंट हो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have also chosen 2 centimeter is equal to 1. Now we are going to plot for the first interval. First interval is 1 to 2 and its frequency is 5. So against first dot, here you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First interval, the frequency for the first is 5. 5 and join it with 2. So this is for the first interval 1 to 2, the frequency is 5. Now next interval is 2 to 3. 2 to 3 and the frequency is 3. So we can join it like this. See students, in this question all the rectangles will not be of same width because जो all intervals हैं उनका class size same नहीं है. अगर ये class size same होता तो सभी rectangles की width same बनती. Now next interval is 3 to 5, तो direct 3 से 5 तक आपको लेना है and frequency is 6. Sorry, again the frequency is 3. But interval is 3 to 5. So you can see the width of previous intervals or previous rectangles are not equal to this rectangle because the interval is 3 to 5. 2 है इसका class size and इन दोनों में 1 class size था. तो next जो है that is 5 to 7 and frequency is 6. Now next interval is 7 to 10 and frequency is 3. 7 to 10 and frequency is 3. Direct this interval has 3 class size. And next interval is 10 to 15. Class size is 5 and frequency is 2. 10 to 15. Now it will be like this and frequency is 2. And for the last interval 15 to 17, again the frequency is 2. To plot these intervals, we have to use adjusted frequency, not given frequencies. Sorry, we have to take 15 to 17. This is like this. So this is our histogram for varying class sizes, and previous one were the histograms for the same class sizes. Same question is 9. Again in this question you will check first of all the class size for all classes, and then you will adjust the frequency by using the formula, and then you will plot the histograms. Here your exercise 14.3 is completed, students. Thank you.